Okay, so in this exercise, we're going to be getting that eighth note straight versus eighth note swing into your system with regards to both of your hands, so kind of getting both your hands to work it. So what we're going to do is we're going to place our hands, our left hand on a 2 Cs, so we're going to be playing an octave here, and then in our right hand, we're going to be playing an inversion of C. So this is the C chord, right? So we're just going to invert it down 1. So take this G here and we put it down here. So this will be our position for our exercise. And what we're going to do is we're going to put on a metronome at a medium speed again, like 66 BPM. Right, so this is going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and what we're going to do is play it like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right, so back and forth. And then what you're going to do is the same thing like the other exercise. We're going to alternate between straight and swing. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and slice of pizza, slice of pizza, slice of pizza, slice of pizza. Okay, and that's the exercise. So just put on a metronome and practice alternating it, and that's going to really get that feel in both your hands. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. I will see you in the next one.